Hello, my name is Mitch.
Will you share with us what kinds of problems you were having when you first came to see Will you share with us what kinds of problems you were having when you first came to see Dr. Haas?
Some of the problems I was having low back problems. Hi, my name is Earl.
Okay. Will you share with us what kinds of problems you were having when you first came to see Dr. Haas?
I was having low back pains and problems with my back, and it's things that had been going on for years, and I thought it was time that I try to get some treatment done to it. My wife actually had recommended that I come and get some treatment done.
Okay. Was Dr. Haas able to help you?
Yes, he was. He was able to help me with a lot of my issues that I was having with my back, and things that was going on. He's actually helped us out, me and my wife, constantly over the years, for an actual number of 15 years now. He has actually adjusted my son, and also I have 2 little girls that he's also adjusted to.
Were you happy with the overall results and the care that Dr. Haas provided?
Yes, I'm very happy with the results.
And would you recommend Dr. Haas to your family, friends, and colleagues?
Yes, I definitely would do that. Actually, my mother-in-law had come and seen him on a number of occasions, and she was happy with the results also.
Okay, thank you.
Also, I forgot, Doctor has had also adjusted my wife every month all the way up to 2 weeks before the delivery. And then after she had the baby, he came over a couple of days later and adjusted my son at that time, and that was over 15 years ago. And just recently I've had 2 more children, 2 little girls, 4 and 5. He's also adjusted them also after they were born.
My name is Ed, and I have been a patient of Dr. Haas's for about 5 years.
Will you share with us what kinds of problems you were having when you first came to see Dr. Haas?
Joint problems. In particular, it was hip and knees. I also have osteoarthritis from the crown of my head to the tip of my toes.
Was Dr. Haas able to help you?
Yes, the treatment, in particularly the energy medicine phase, was absolutely mind-boggling. It's been wonderful.
Okay, about how long did it take before you were feeling better?
First treatment, as I recall.
Okay.
And the problems that Dr. Haas addressed was as an arthritic person. I've been arthritic for, say, over 50 years by the time Dr. Haas saw me.
Okay. Were you happy with the overall results and care that Dr. Haas provided?
I am very happy with the care. I've been here 5 years. If I wasn't, I would have gone. All right.
Okay, and so you would recommend Dr. Haas to your family, friends, and colleagues?
I already have.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Sean?
Hey, I'm Billy Thompson. Yeah, my name is Billy. Been coming here just over 4 months now.
Will you share with us what kinds of problems you were having when you first came to see Dr. Haas?
Yeah, it's the inflammation in my upper neck, and had some bad lower back pain as well. Like very huge knots in there.
Was Dr. Haas able to help you?
Absolutely.
About how long did it take before you were feeling better?
It's probably about 2 months later. I've noticed, and you started coming 3 times a week, and now narrowed it down to 1.
So were you happy with the overall results and the care that Dr. Haas provided?
Absolutely, yes.
Would you recommend Dr. Haas to your family, friends, and colleagues?
Yes, I do.
How long had you been having the problem before you came to see Dr. Haas?
Probably around 3 months. You know, I wasn't quite sure what it was. I just did normal stretches and physical therapy, and I decided to finally come see a chiropractor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, hi. My name is Stephanie.
All right, Stephanie, will you share with us what kinds of problems you were having when you first came to see Dr. Haas?
Well, I was pregnant at the time, and when I first started coming, it was because it actually hurt to walk. My lower back was very painful, and keeping up with my firstborn was very difficult.
Okay, how long have you had this problem?
It was, well, since about 3 months into being pregnant, and I think I came around 5 or 6 months.
Okay. Was Dr. Haas able to help you?
Yes, he was. I was able to actually walk and keep going until the day my daughter was born.
Great. About how long did it take before you were feeling better?
The first time he adjusted me, I started feeling a lot better.
Okay. So were you happy with the overall results and the care that Dr. Haas provided?
I was very happy with everything.
Would you recommend Dr. Haas to your family, friends, and colleagues?
Yes, especially pregnant women.
And who are you holding?
This would be my daughter, Madeline.
Isn't she cute? And how old is Madeline?
She is now 3 weeks old.
And we adjusted you until, what, 3 days, 4 days before you delivered?
Yes, I was last adjusted on Monday, and she was born, went into labor on Friday.
And mother and baby are doing well.
Yes.
All right. All right. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name's Roy. I've been coming to Dr. Haas for about 14 years.
Okay, will you share with us what kinds of problems you were having when you first came to see Dr. Haas?
I was having a lot of low back problems. 3 or 4 times a year I would get down with my low back and have to stay in bed for 3 or 4 days. And I came to Dr. Haas on the recommendation of a friend at work.
Okay. How long have you had this problem?
Oh, I'd had it probably about 10 years when I first came here.
Was Dr. Haas able to help you?
Yes, Dr. Haas worked on me like 2 or 3 times a week for a while. It took a good 6 weeks, but he straightened out my back and got my spine aligned. And after that, I was able to play tennis or do pretty much anything I wanted to.
So you were happy with the overall results and the care that Dr. Haas provided?
Absolutely. It made a big difference in my life.
Okay, would you recommend Dr. Haas to your family, friends, and colleagues?
I would recommend him without qualification to anyone.
Thank you.
My name is Joe.
How long have you been coming here?
About 14 years.
Okay, will you share with us what kinds of problems you were having when you first came to see Dr. Haas?
Yeah, I was just having back problems. I had back problems before I came to see him, and there were a couple times when I was really in pain, but then that got fixed when I was up in Baltimore. When I moved down here, I just wanted to make sure that I had someone that could keep taking care of my back.
Okay. Was Dr. Haas able to help you?
Oh yes, very much.
About how long did it take before you were feeling better?
It was maybe a month.
Okay. Were you happy with the overall results and care that Dr. Haas provided?
Yes, definitely.
Would you recommend Dr. Haas to your family, friends, and colleagues?
Yes, I would.
Thank you.